So I talked a lot of trash on not being able to get my hands on this Bombshell wig by Freetress, and lo and behold, I was finally able to find it, and we gonna try it on, baby. We gonna try it on. All right, let's do it. Oh my God, I love this wig so much. You'll have to forgive my voice because I have had the plague for about a week. It's just starting to get better. Everybody jokes that whenever I get sick, I get my 976 voice. If you're old enough to know what a 976 number is, you're old enough for me to say that to you. So yeah, when I get ill, I put on my female Barry White and I sound like this, but I could not wait to show this to you. I didn't put any color in the top here. I didn't like layer the layers more. I put it on. I've seen all these women put this wig on and like do like the whole flat iron the top of it, sheer cut the bangs, do all these things. I had someplace that I had to be. I ripped this wig out of the package like I had stolen it from the store. I threw it on my head, and this is me 4 hours later. I brushed it. I mean, I use the term brush loosely, like I ran a brush over it, and that's it. And I am crazy in love with this wig. I've been trying to get it for probably the past 6 to 8 months and haven't been able to. I didn't think I was gonna like it because the bottom is not as curled. Again, the plague. I love this thing. This is a color number 4. I thought it was gonna be way too light. It's the perfect color, the perfect texture. It's not super silky. It like, the texture is like in between kind of a yucky and a silky. What I did make sure I did though is that I pulled the wig down to meet like right at where my hairline is. Even though it's a curtain bang wig, you want to make sure that it is sitting like low enough to where it still makes sense and doesn't look like it's too high up. So I made sure it meets my hairline, right? So still gives it a really natural look. Once it starts to get a little ratty, you can cut it on the ends and you'd still be left with like this cute, look at that. Look how cute that would look. If it were just there, that would still be really cute. I think that's what I'm gonna do. When this starts to get a little raggedy and tangled, I'm just gonna cut it right here. And that would be really, really cute hair. I feel very Kerry Washington on Scandal at that length right there. Yeah, I like this. I love this unit. She is beautiful. This is the Bombshell curtain bang wig. Did I reorder this? Yes. I might wind up wearing this wig way more than I should because it's a synthetic, like $30 wig, and you shouldn't wear a $30 wig every day because it's a $30 wig. But, you know, I love this wig. And I think I'm gonna buy it again. I did buy it again, but I think I'm gonna buy it again. Signing off for the evening, letting you know that if you have not yet had the opportunity to wear or purchase the Freetress Equal Curtain Bang wig, you should do it. You should definitely do it. All right, sugar, let me know what you think.